Ladies and gentlemen, there's a very special person that I have asked to come here today, and he has traveled an awfully long way to sing a song especially for you. You knew him as Cat Stevens. His melodies have inspired millions of us to be better people. Ladies and gentlemen, Joseph, or as it is also pronounced, Yusuf. Peace.
I've been happy lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. 'Cause I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world as well, and I believe it could be someday it's gonna come. It's out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. Peace train, take this country and take me home again. 'Cause I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. Peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace train. Ooh, ah, yeah, ooh, ah. Come on, peace train. Peace train, holy roll. Everyone jump upon the peace train. Ooh, ah, yeah, ooh, ah. Come on, peace train.
Hold on. Whoa. I'm sorry.
Together.
Stop.
Go.
Stop.
Hang on.
No, I am sorry. No, I am sorry.
I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I'm terribly sorry.
Yusuf, Joe, if I may.
What are you
I am sorry. I respect you. I love you, but I am not getting on that train.
What? What are you saying?
What am I saying?
Yes!
I'm saying I don't have a ticket for this
Show
train.
some respect.
I am not interested in this
He's
train.
in the middle of a song. It's a beautiful song.
You're not getting me on. No. Ladies and gentlemen. No. No, excuse me. I'm not getting on some international peace train that probably needs a Eurail pass to get on it.
I don't know what's happening.
Where does it stop? Does it have first-class cars? Frankly, I believe this train does not exist.
I'm sorry.
I have a better train, ladies and gentlemen. My train is arriving at the station now, and ladies and gentlemen, the conductor has an important announcement to make.
not comfortable on that train. Ozzy, I'm sorry. I'm a very big fan. I'm a very big fan. No. He said it was going off the rails. Why can't we just stay on the pit? Yusuf, please, Yusuf, please. Peace train. Please, Yusuf.
Get your bags together. Go bring your friends too. 'Cause it's getting nearer. But soon we'll be with you. Just come and join the living. It's not so far from you. And it's getting nearer. Soon it will all be true. Oh, peace train sounding loud. Light on the peace train.
Stop! Someone pull the emergency brake on that rainbow moonbeam choo-choo. Ozzy, hit it!
No, stop! Yusuf!
Peace train sounding loud.
Ozzy, go! Go, Ozzy, go!
This is not right! This is not...
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going?
Hey, guys, come on. That's not... Guys, come on.
Wait, what?
Oh, way to go! Way to go!
Look what you did! You ruined everything!
You know what? So now we're here. We got all these people, and we got no train. No train.
Well, that's what you do. You ruin things with reasonableness.
You ruin things. We got no train. Oh, God. Oh, God.
I went to so much trouble. I went so much trouble to get Ozzy.
I went through so much trouble to get Yusuf. What are we going to do?
I don't know.
Oh, God. What was that?
Wait,
What was that?
What was that sound?
People all over the world. What?
Wait,
Is that the sound of Philadelphia?
was that the sweet Philly soul?
I think that might be the love train. I would get on the love train. I think we could compromise.
I don't know if I could get on the love train, John. That doesn't sound fearful.
No, STDs,
Heartbreak? That is scary. I'll get on the love train.
Ladies and gentlemen, the OJs! the Roots. Dude.